no. Good morning, guys. It's a nice early Saturday morning, and we're going to Cars and Coffee because today is Saturday, and tomorrow this car is being picked up by its new owner, hopefully 100%. As you guys remember the last video, guy made a deposit, backed out last second. Like 2-3 days later, another guy made a deposit who seems a lot more interested in it since he owns like an exotic shop in California. It seems like he wants an R8 project to turn into what kind of he wants out of the car. So today's gonna be my last day with the car. I'm not gonna beat it senseless because I'm not that much of an asshole to the next owner, but door handles still don't work. So much for smooth thing. It's not that slow. So I hate driving with them. They'll freaking go 100 million miles an hour the second we get on any kind of road. I think you have to go 100 miles an hour cruising just to catch up to one of them. Where the hell's Zach? He's probably like doing posts with one of them or some shit like that, right? I can't even hear my car revving. So this car right here is actually Paul Walker's personal 370Z, as well as this M3 right there. They'll show more in detail. Then there's apparently a Mustang, which I don't know where it is, but these are going up for auction here in Scottsdale, which is where I am right now. Where's Barrett Jackson Auction is like a big auction thing. If you guys, if you're in USA, you've heard of Barrett Jackson Auctions. And if you've heard maybe like half a year ago, they were saying that Paul Walker's collection is being split up and auctioned individually, and I think all the proceeds are donated to his Reach Out Worldwide thing. I don't know how I feel about his collection being split up. I don't know if that's fair, but whatever. But this is his M3, which I remember he owned 5 or 6 of these special edition M3 E36s.
Oh, are you Andre?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I watched your videos.
Thanks, man. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
It's pretty cool to think that Paul Walker, this is like his car, and he probably drove this at some point, obviously. Yeah, he had 5 of the exact same limited edition.
Out of the 125 that are...
Yeah, he no, literally, there's like a picture of all 5 of them in a row in his garage. Yeah, it's... I just don't know if they should be auctioned individually, but either way, like, they're gonna fetch insane amounts of money because it's who it is, and it's just being donated. I'm pretty sure it's being donated to his charity because I assume that would be the only right thing.
Kind of messed up on that.
Oh yeah, yeah, he had a lot. Yeah, he had a really proper collection. See, that's why everyone liked Paul Walker from the Fast and Furious cast, because he was like the only, well, not the only, but he was like one of the main car people. And this is like a race prep 370Z, so I mean it's not caged, but it has only one seat and it has the Recaro Hans Pro Racer seat. But same thing with this. It's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome to think. Yeah, there's a whole list of his car collection in an R32 Skyline race car. The sun's gonna be in the way, but.
Oh, that'd be a cool one. Sorry.
What do you think these are gonna sell for?
So when he owned these cars, these decals and stuff were wrong.
I really don't know. I have no idea. Maybe these and that because sponsors, but the Reach Out Worldwide they might have put on afterwards. I mean, he was pretty low-key about that whole thing.
Are those the same rails that you have?
No, those are TE37 Rays. I have Graham Light Rays. Same company but different model, but they're really similar. These are a lot more expensive. These are worth like $3,000 to $4,000. And they have racing slicks on them as well, and racing brakes. Yeah. It's powder coating, but it can chip still. I guess this was like a track used car that he had because it only has one seat and it's on slicks. And I assume it'd be in the same condition as it was recovered in.
This is it, yeah.
That's pretty awesome. Yeah, definitely the coolest thing here, just because of the heritage that it has. I had no idea. I walked past this, I had no idea, but then I'm like, it says reach out worldwide on that 370Z, so I figured it had to be like something special or involved with Paul Walker, especially if it's sitting at the Barrett Jackson booth. There's my little car. That's Jared Garage. Very good.
But yeah, it came out really good, so we're excited to have it.
Okay.
You never know, man.
We have to go find her to hug her also, so.
Yeah, it's just like a regular. It's only. It's a. We'll just turn it off though, because like.
Is most I have to keep this. Yeah, dude, I have a fucking 2 turbos.
What is that?
2 turbos.
Oh, they
Yeah, it's
Did you guys go to the one in Phoenix?
Light into the speed?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, it's pretty speed.
little gamer boy. Final day of the RA, hopefully tomorrow happens. If all goes well, I will record a video for tomorrow. Tomorrow's video will be a lot more serious in the sense of me actually explaining why I'm getting rid of it, more as like the pros and cons of the car and what I just want to do personally and with the channel and stuff. Thanks so much for watching. I saw a bunch of cool cars. What was your favorite thing there?